The life of Andres Bonifacio. Andres Bonifacio, known as the Ama ng Katipunan, is one of the most important heroes of the Philippines. Born into poverty, though he grew up without a formal schooling, but he taught himself by reading books on history, revolution, and freedom. This regarding shaped strong desire to fight for the country independence. In 1892, he founded the Katipunan, a secret revolution group that aimed for free Philippines for Spanish rule. Bonifacio inspired ordinary Filipinos to stand up their rights, proving the encourage patriotism to do not depend on wealth or education. Under his leadership, the Katipunan grew refined that spark in the Philippines Revolution in 1896. But Bonifacio is not only a warrior, he was also a written and thinker. His poem Pag-ibig, Tinubago ng Lupa, and his letter to fellow revolution show dependent love for the nation, and his belief in unity, sacrifice, and dignity. He also wrote heartfelt letter to his wife showing his human side, full of love, hope, and fear. Although he died young during the international conflicts of revolution. His legacy on live Bonifacio reminds us that true heroes come in courage, determination, and the willingness to fight for justice and freedom.